From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everybody. I am student meteorologist Allison Sousa here with a live look at our hub this morning. We've got some beautiful clouds behind me as the sun is coming up over Happy Valley this morning. Temperatures are currently sitting quite chilly. We're at about 35 degrees, and it feels a bit colder than that due to the wind. It feels like it's about 28 degrees, quite chilly. And if we take a look at our dew point, it is actually sitting pretty close to our current temperatures right now, which means that the air is actually quite humid, though we can't really tell because of how cold it is today. If we take a look at temperatures across the state, we've got mid-30s residing in the western half of the state. And with the exception of Erie up in the northwest, the eastern part of the state is looking much warmer than we are here. With Philadelphia is even sitting close to about 50 degrees this morning. If we take a look at our current radar, we've got some snow flurries up in the northwestern part of the state, a couple rain showers around there too. But those are pretty much going to stay in the northwestern part of the state for today, and everywhere else should be pretty dry and pretty clear. Pulling out, if we look over the entire eastern part of the United States, you can see the rain over by Maine and New England is the rain that we had this weekend, and the snow showers are over the Midwest. They're going to be moving into our area as this low continues to move through, and that is due to the dropping temperatures that are associated with this cold front. If we take a look at our future radar for today, the showers and snow showers are going to stay mostly in the western and northwestern part of the state. We should be pretty dry, pretty clear everywhere else. But as we get into tonight, the system is going to start to move through the middle part of the state, and that is where we're going to have our best chance for some snow, State College, early tomorrow morning. And as the day continues on tomorrow, the showers are going to pull out by the mid-morning hours, and we will be left with some residual clouds, but even those will begin to pull out as we get towards the later part of the day. Taking a look at this map over here, this shows us the change in temperatures from this time yesterday. So currently in State College, we are 9 degrees cooler right now than we were at this time yesterday. So that is showing you just how much these temperatures are dropping as this cold front continues to move through. And we've got even higher values at other parts in the state. We've got 15 degrees of change in Johnstown. And even down in Philadelphia, though it is close to 50 degrees there, they are still 13 degrees cooler right now than they were at this time yesterday. And this is true for the entire eastern part of the United States. This cold front is bringing cooler temperatures to this entire swath across the United States. And so while it may not be as cold in the southeast, they are still going to be feeling pretty chilly relative to the temperatures they are used to. And it is that time of year again where we have to look at our snowfall total map. You have the chance for about 2 inches in Bradford, but everywhere else you're going to be seeing pretty trace amounts, if any accumulates at all. Most of these swaths here are just going to see flurries and no actual accumulation. Even though we've got some snow going on in the state right now, we are actually going to return to much warmer temperatures. They're going to feel a lot better to those of us that like the warm weather. This is going to start moving in this weekend, and it's going to keep things pretty comfortable for next week as well. Taking a look at our temperatures for the rest of today, we're going to have a high of 47. It's going to be partly cloudy. It's still going to be very chilly and a bit breezy as well, so you're definitely going to want a jacket with you today. Going into tonight, we've got cold temperatures continuing, we've got some clouds moving through, and early tomorrow morning is when we are going to see our snow. For tomorrow, temperatures are remaining chilly, and that snow right there is going to stay just in the morning hours, and things will clear out by the mid-morning, and it should be a little bit breezier tomorrow. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, after this system moves through, we should have warmer temperatures, and even the skies will begin to clear, and we will have very lovely sunny days, sunny and warm. So if you have any weekend plans, those should be good to go for having them outside and being comfortable, especially if you are going to the football game this weekend. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Allison Sousa. Have a great day.